Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduke, and this is tip number 284. Design Studio Page Comments. For many years, it was difficult for multiple makers to be working on the same Power Pages site at the same time. Microsoft is working on making collaboration easier. One of the new features to do that is comments. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Comments are a feature found in the Pages workspace of the Power Pages Design Studio. Look for the speech bubble icon in the command bar on the right-hand side. Comments are added to a specific page. Users can reply to comments to create a thread, and can tag other users. Comments can be edited or deleted, and can be marked as resolved or reopened if necessary. Comments are stored in Dataverse in the comment table. This table is not solution aware, so if for some reason you want to move comments between environments, you'll need to use something like the configuration migration tool. If you haven't tried this functionality yet, I recommend giving it a try if you're working as part of a team. Comments are a great way to encourage collaboration when building a Power Pages site. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 284 on Design Studio Page Comments useful.